Hey there, WordPress enthusiasts and developers! Are you tired of juggling between various plugins and external software to manage your website leads and data? Look no further. Meet Bit Integrations, the ultimate WordPress integration plugin that simplifies your workflow and saves precious time. In this video, we'll dive into Bit Integrations, discovering its features, benefits, pricing, and why it's indispensable for busy website owners and developers. Let's embark on this exciting journey together! What is Bit Integrations? Bit Integrations acts like your personal digital assistant, handling scheduling and data integration effortlessly. Whether you manage a salon, run an e-commerce store with WooCommerce, or offer online courses, Bit Integrations simplifies sending leads and data to other WordPress plugins and external software. No more manual entry or platform switching. Bit Integrations automates tasks and syncs seamlessly with tools like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Zoho CRM, ensuring your data is always accessible when you need it. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal prices on Bit Integrations await. Even better, Bit Integrations, usually pricey, now offers an unbelievable lifetime deal through AppSumo. Forget monthly fees. Pay once for powerful WordPress workflow features. Bit Integrations offers different license tiers, each tailored to meet your specific needs. License Tier 1. Get started with the essentials. Unlimited sessions, 15 team members, and more for $49, originally $99. Ideal for smaller teams improving data integration. 15 team member accounts, 100 plus integrations, more will be added. Suitable for one site. License Tier 2. Want more? Tier 2 at $98, originally $198, adds extra team accounts, session participants, and the AI Copilot. Perfect for multiple projects. 30 team member accounts, 100 plus integrations, more will be added. Suitable for 5 sites. License Tier 3. For the best experience, Tier 3 costs $147, originally $297, and covers large teams and extensive data integration. 50 team member accounts, 100 plus integrations, more will be added. Suitable for 50 sites. 6 most important features that make the Traff special. Automated booking. Say goodbye to back and forth emails and manual data entry. Bit Integrations allows clients to book appointments at their convenience, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Calendar sync. No more double bookings or missed appointments. Bit Integration syncs effortlessly with your preferred calendars, keeping your schedule up to date. Group bookings. Organize workshops or group sessions effortlessly with Bit Integrations. Managing multiple bookings has never been easier. Customization. Make your booking site truly yours with beautiful templates and customization options. Create a seamless user experience that matches your brand. Integration power. Connect with the tools you already love and use, from WhatsApp to MailChimp. Bit Integrations enhances your existing workflows. Mobile management. Stay on top of your appointments even when you're on the move. Bit Integrations offers a mobile app for convenient management. Who can benefit from Bit Integrations? Wondering if Bit Integrations is the right fit for you? Here are 7 unique personas who can harness the power of Bit Integrations. Salon owners, fitness instructors, consultants and coaches, therapists, freelancers, workshop organizers, event planners. Bit Integrations hot deal. Extra 10% off just for you. Exciting news! You can score additional savings on Bit Integrations through AppSumo. Get an extra 10% off on top of the already incredible deals. Here's how to claim your extra discount. Visit AppSumo's Bit Integrations offer. Keep an eye out for a pop-up bar with a discount offer. Enter your active email address. Use the same email address consistently. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save even more on Bit Integrations. It's like savings on top of savings! Real user reviews. What users say about Bit Integrations. Still not convinced? Let's take a look at what real users are saying about Bit Integrations on AppSumo. Hearing from others who have benefited from this tool can provide valuable insights. Don't miss out! Secure your lifetime deal now! Transform your scheduling chaos into a symphony with Bit integrations. Check out the description for more details, explore the features, and secure your lifetime deal before it's too late.